Hello friends, welcome to MasterCAM training session. In this lecture, we will discuss about swept 3D milling operation. So, our topics are along cut distance, across cut distance, cutting method, stock to leave and rapid depth. So, first of all, we will create an object with solid block. Dimension is 100 by 50 and the height is 15. Okay. Now change the view wireframe. Okay. Now in wireframe I will create a line with here the dimension is 30. Again here this one is also 30. Again here this line is 70. Okay. Now create a fillet. This 2 line and the radius value is 10. Okay. So now this line is deleted. In swept 2D operation, we will see both sides the object. Means the cutting object is same. But here the cutting object is both side is different. Like here I will give you simple example. Like this side the circle and value is 5. Okay, and the another side portion value is 8. Okay, so you will see the two side is different. But first of all divide this portion. Okay, and change the view in isometric shaded. Now select this portion, dynamic, select center point and turn this. Okay, now select this side and selection, select center point and turn this. Okay, so fit. This is our path. Now we will apply operation. So first of all select a machine, mill, default. Next is stock setup, all solid. Okay. Now apply the operation. So next is swept 3D. Here the number of across counters. You will see here the value is 1. Now you will see if I give 3 value then the error is occurs. Means here you will give 2 value. Enter. Select a chain. So I will select this and select this. Flip and select another. Okay, you will see. Now selection of tool. So I will select ball nose tool, 3 diameter. Okay, and change our value. So along cut distance is I will set 0.5. Across cut distance is also 0.5. Now the zigzag method is here. The rapid depth is I will change 25 and just click OK. Change the view in wireframe. You will see. Now we will check in verify. So I will just click on verify selected operation and play this operation with change speed you will see the depth of cut need to change. So I will close, parameter, change this view 0.2 and here also 0.2. Okay, regenerate and verify. I will play this operation with change the speed and you will see after this operation So friends, here you will see the smooth path. See. So I will close this view, change this view, isometric and fit. Okay friends, so this is our swept 3D milling operation. In next lecture, we will discuss about swept 3D milling operation different type. Thank you friends.